A warm welcome to Branese Official, where we have unbiased discussions on digital marketing tools and softwares. Let's get to the Speechelo Pro features without wasting any time. So, what are those pro features of Speechelo that we do not get in the standard version? Now, out of the 7 unique Speechelo Pro features, you can manage to get at least 5 features in your standard version as well if you can do a little bit of more hard work and watch this video completely to know how you can do that. Now let's come to the first point. Firstly, you'll get an extra 171 voices that you do not get in the standard version. Because in the standard version, you only have the 30 voices for 23 languages. But in the pro version, you get extra 171 new voices for those languages and some other new languages too, like Hungarian, Indonesian, and Bulgarian. Later in this video, we'll come to know what those new voices are. This feature is only possible in the pro version. Now the third one is create longer voiceovers. Now what does it mean? It means that Speechelo standard, like with the Speechelo standard, we can create voiceovers for up to 700 words. But with the Speechelo Pro version, the limit gets extended to 4 times, which means that with the Pro version, we can create voiceovers up to 2800 words. But in both the versions, we can create unlimited voiceovers. Now you might become sad after knowing that Speechelo has word limits, but let me clear it out for you. Let's say you have the standard version and you have a 2000 words in front of you as a script that you want the voiceover, while the limit is 700 words. Now what you can do is you can create 3 voiceovers of 700 words each in a continuation and combine all of them with any video editing software. Using these methods, you can create voiceovers for almost an hour-long video with the Speechelo standard version only. Fourth, you'll get an additional 40 background music tracks which are not available in the standard version. We'll listen to a few of those background music tracks later in this video. A quick hack that I would want to give you is that you can access thousands of copyright free music available on the internet, and you can use any video editing software to merge and level both the voiceover and the music. Now, the fifth, you can create dialogue videos in which you can use multiple voices in the same voiceover. Like it's like a conversation between a male and female where we have two different voices talking to each other. Now you can do this with the standard version as well if you work a little bit smartly. Like I told you before, you can create multiple voiceovers as per your script and combine all of them. Sixth, if you want to work more effectively, you have to keep things organized. So for that, the pro version, you will be able to create new campaigns for each project and for each client that you sign. This feature is only possible in the pro version. Anyways, you can work on multiple campaigns using the Speechelo standard version as well, but you might have to go through a slight confusion among your projects, and maybe not. Now the seventh is commercial license. This means that you can create voiceovers and sell them to make huge profits. You can literally cover up your Speechelo investment by selling a single voiceover. On the other hand, if we talk about the Speechelo standard version, you can use those voiceovers in making your own videos, but you cannot sell out those voiceovers solely. This feature is only available in the Pro version. 8th, bonus ebook. This is going to be an interesting part. In this ebook, you will be getting a complete blueprint for making money, Speechelo voiceovers, and you can literally get your investment back soon enough if you follow the strategy in this ebook. I can also tell you how you can make money with the Speechelo standard version only and recover your investment soon, but for that you will have to drop down a comment. Now, of course, we are talking about how to make money with the Speechelo. At least we can drop a short comment for our own benefit, right? Now, here's a shock for you. In order to unlock Speechelo Pro features, you will have to buy the standard version first. Please do not get scammed anywhere on the internet by the name of the Speechelo Pro, because you cannot buy the Pro version of Speechelo by any means without having the standard version. Speechelo Pro is simply an upgrade to its standard version. So how can you buy the Pro version directly? So to buy the Speechelo right away, the link is in the description box. Now as we scroll down, We have come to know about the description of Speechelo Pro features that we have already discussed. You can also pause the video and rate them for yourself. Now here are some exclusive Speechelo voices available on the Pro version. In order not to waste the time, I have added all of these voices in the end of this video, which you can listen to or skip a few of them. It's totally up to you. Next, these are the additional voices that you get the access to in the Speechelo Pro version. You can also pause the video and see each and every one of them. Now, as we scroll down, they have explained the Speechelo Pro features again with the help of graphics and demonstration. Now, here are a few exclusive music tracks, and I'll play a couple of them.
Speechelo music. 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 Speechelo music.
You get additional 30 music tracks worth more than $2,000. In the end is the pricing part of the Speechelo, in which you have two choices. Either you pay $37 per month or you pay $47 for 3 months. Nobody on the planet would go for the first one, obviously for the second one only. And now here's my personal opinion. If you're a kind of person who relies upon focus and hard work instead of magical spells or get rich quick schemes, then you can easily make some sensible profits from Speechelo. So I think you should go for the Speechelo and make some money out of it. And once you have at least recovered your primary investment, then you should surely go for the Speechelo Pro, because it is obviously going to 10x your profits with much more opportunities. The reason being, in the Pro version, you'll not only get the commercial license, but also the blueprint to get clients fast. But for that, you'll have to make some money from the standard version. Let me know in the comments if you want to know how to make $1,000 per month using the Speechelo standard version by working only 30 minutes a day. Therefore, you should grab the Speechelo from the description box of this video and start making some money out of it as soon as possible. And please do not forget to hit the subscribe button for more such videos in the future. And here are the exclusive voices from Speechelo that I have skipped from between the video, and here they are now.
Hey, I'm Andrew, and I'm one of the new elite voiceover talents. I have a nice expressive voice, perfect for explainer videos.
I'm Lily, and I'm one of the new UK voiceover artists from the Elite Club. My voice is perfect for training videos and even video commercials. Hey, I'm Sophia, and I'm one of the Canadian voiceover talents from the Speechelo Elite Club. My voice is perfect for tutorial videos or audiobooks. Hey, I'm Sophia.
My name is Kashwi, and I'm one of the pro voices of Speechelo. Please upgrade your account to Pro if you want to be able to use my voice. My name is Kashwi.
My name is Mahika, and I'm one of the pro voices of Speechelo. Please upgrade your account to Pro if you want to be able to use my voice.
My name is Jocelyn, and I'm one of the pro voices of Speechelo. Please upgrade your account to Pro if you want to be able to use my voice. My name
is Brooke, and I'm one of the pro voices of Speechelo. Please upgrade your account to Pro if you want to be able to use my voice.
My name is Poppy, and I'm one of the pro voices of Speechelo. Please upgrade your account to Pro if you want to be able to use my voice.
My name is Harry, and I'm one of the pro voices of Speechelo. Please upgrade your account to Pro if you want to be able to use.
Hey, Hey, I'm Grace, and I'm one of the female elite voiceover talents. I have a nice warm voice, perfect for training videos and audio.
O meu nome é Catarina e sou uma das vozes femininas portuguesas da Speechelo Elite. Minha voz é perfeita para vídeos educacionais e de vendas.
Je m'appelle Fini, et je suis l'une des voix féminines françaises de Speechelo Elite. Ma voix est parfaite pour les vidéos éducatives.
Hey, I'm Hayden. I'm one of the new Australian voices from the Elite Club. I have a deep and resonant voice, perfect for explainer videos.
O meu nome é Bruna, e sou uma das vozes femininas portuguesas da Speechelo Elite. Minha voz é perfeita para vídeos educacionais e de vendas.
Mi nombre es Alicia, y soy una de las voces femeninas españolas de Speechelo Elite. Mi voz es muy clara y seria, perfecta para vídeos educativos.
Hola, sóc una de les noves veus Elite Speechelo. La meva veu és perfecta per a podcasts i anuncis de vídeo.